Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here today for Creative Expressions with an introduction to Gilded Touch. This is a relatively new product from Cosmic Shimmer and oh my goodness are you going to fall in love with this. It's available in 10 different shades and each one comes in its own tube that you can then use to just, as you see, squidge a little bit out to the tip of it and then use whichever applicator you wish to apply it onto your project. As you can see, you can use this with your finger. You could also use it with finger daubers, paintbrushes, sponges, applicators, whatever you wish to be working with. Apply it in a small circular motion and it will just go across and highlight the areas you'd like to see. As you can see, you can be very precise with this. I'm going in for just one line of each colour over this background embossing folder, and as you can see that's working really easily. It's looking very neat. If I wanted to go back with other colours and just highlight the flowers or the vine parts, I could absolutely do that too. These will layer up on top of each other really nicely. This is a water-based version of a gilding wax, and that's really good because it means there's no solvents in this product. It also being water-based means we can clean it off of all of our fingers and applicators very easily because it will just wash straight off. On top of that, it also means if you wish to take some out and put it onto a tile or in a palette and mix in some water and paint with it, you can absolutely do that too, and you're going to end up with a really nice mica-y finish to your backgrounds or your painted elements. These are just a really fun product to create with and they're highly precise and very, very shimmery. All 10 colours are currently available. The ones I'm using for this background are Tarnished Gold, Indulgent Red, Autumn Bronze, Silver Note, Rose Gold and Enchanted Gold. And as I say, there are 10 to collect. All of these are currently available from all good Creative Expressions stockists. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.